Every day, we wake up to the same sunrise that has greeted humanity for millennia. It's a reminder that life is a series of fresh starts, a chance to redefine who we are and what we can achieve. But let's be real for a moment. How many of you actually wake up feeling energized, excited to seize the day? Or do you find yourself hitting that snooze button, rolling over, and letting the day slip away? If you're like most people, the latter is probably more familiar. You see, each day presents an opportunity, yet so many let distractions and excuses dictate their lives. But deep down, there's a spark within you, a potential waiting to be unlocked. Yes, you have the ability to achieve greatness. The question is, are you ready to tap into it? Today, I want to share 3 powerful secrets that can help you unlock that potential. These are not just tips. They're principles that successful people live by every day. If you're ready to embrace them, let's dive in. The first secret is to take massive action. It sounds simple, right? Yet, it's one of the most powerful things you can do. So often, we get caught up in the cycle of planning and dreaming, thinking that just by visualizing our goals, we're making progress. But let me tell you, nothing changes without action. You can have the most detailed plans, but if you don't act, nothing happens. What does taking massive action look like? It might be as straightforward as committing to one small step today. Maybe it's signing up for that class you've been putting off, or finally hitting the gym after months of procrastination. That one step can set off a chain reaction that leads to incredible changes. Success isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, pushing through, and doing the work, day in and day out. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be present. So ask yourself, what massive action can you take today? Now, let's move on to the second secret. Fail forward. I know, failure can feel daunting. We've all experienced that moment when we stumble, whether it's during a workout or in a personal project. But let's face it, failure is part of the journey. It's not something to be feared. It's something to be embraced. What matters most is how you respond to that failure. Each setback is a lesson. Each failure is a step forward. When you stumble, don't let it define you. Instead, learn from it, adapt, and rise again. Every time you fall, you have the power to choose your response. Success is built on resilience, the ability to keep moving forward, even when it feels like you're failing. So the next time you face a challenge, remember that it's not the end. It's just another stepping stone on your path to greatness. Finally, we arrive at the third secret. Stay consistent. This is crucial, folks. Success isn't a one-time event. It's a habit. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about being relentless in your pursuit of growth. Consistency is what transforms dreams into reality. It's the small daily actions that compound over time, leading to massive results. Whether it's waking up early to work on your goals or dedicating time to your passion project after a long day, remember that every little effort counts. The results may not be immediate, but trust the process. Stay consistent, and you will see the fruits of your labor. Reflect on your progress over time, and you'll notice growth that you may not have seen day to day. So, as you think about these 3 secrets, taking massive action, failing forward, and staying consistent, remember this: you are capable of greatness. The world is waiting for you to step up and make it happen. You have the power to unlock your potential, to create a life you love, and to achieve anything you set your mind to. Now, let's make today count. What action will you take? How will you embrace failure? And how will you commit to consistency? The answers lie within you, and it's time to bring them to life. The journey starts now. Are you ready?